It is that time again. It is the month of July, and we have the BRoll Smackdown profiles. This one is for Bracket 1. I'm really looking forward to it. Some amazing competitors in Bracket 1, and I'm going to tell you about their channel. So, Piney, you know what to do. Roll them bumps.
Oh, I didn't want blue. Let's go green. Sweet.
Caleb S. What a great channel. He has some cool special effects on his channel, but the focus is just stunning and amazing drone footage. Words can't possibly do this justice, guys, so just check the link in the description. It's amazing.
If you are looking for a channel for camping, hiking, entertaining kids on the trail, some tips and tricks, this might be the channel for you. We're all about getting outdoors, having fun, exploring, finding the new adventure as a family. So if that's something you're into, this may be the channel for you.
And that just about says it all. Life Befell the Powells is a fantastic, family-friendly channel. He takes his family on hikes and all kinds of other stuff, and he really has a cinematic eye to the things he shoots. Check the link in the description and go to Life Befell the Powells. You won't regret it.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
I'm Serenity from Wren Around the Moon. Today we're making my version of Violet Evergarden's brooch. Please, come craft with me.
Wren Around the Moon. Now, the first I heard of this channel was when they submitted their entry for the BRoll Smackdown. And I'm telling you, I couldn't have been more excited. The content that you're gonna find here is amazing. She does fantastic crafting projects all over the site. They're released on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and you can see some of what you're gonna see on the channel right here. Do yourself a big favor and go ahead and check that description and pop on over to Wren Around the Moon's channel. You won't regret it. What an amazing group of competitors we have in Bracket 1. I'm so excited about this competition. Their B-roll was fantastic, their channels are amazing. So please do me a big favor and pop over to their channel, give them some support and love just for having the courage to enter the BRoll Smackdown. I think it's fantastic. Have a great day, find your adventure, and I'll see you in an hour for the live show. It's gonna be awesome.